Mint Mobile is a mobile virtual network operator that uses T-Mobile's network, offering affordable prepaid plans without contracts. You'll start by choosing a plan on mintmobile.com based on your data needs, with options ranging from a few gigabytes to more. Once you've selected a plan, order either a physical SIM card or opt for eSIM activation if your phone supports it. The crucial step is the number porting process. You'll need your current carrier's account number, PIN, and the last four digits of your Social Security number for verification. Mint Mobile then submits a port request. Once approved, your number seamlessly transfers, usually within 1 to 3 business days. Make sure to keep your current plan active until the port is complete to avoid any interruptions. After receiving your SIM, activate it through the Mint Mobile app or website. The process is straightforward and takes just a few minutes. For physical SIM cards, insert it into your phone's SIM slot. Make sure the gold contacts face down. Power on your device and wait for the activation message. When initiating the number transfer, provide all required information accurately. This includes your current account details and verification codes. Submit the request through the Mint app. You'll receive confirmation texts throughout the process. Once your number is ported, test calls and texts to ensure everything is working correctly. It's important to update your emergency contacts with your new carrier information. This ensures emergency services can reach you properly. Finally, contact your old carrier to cancel your previous plan. Do this only after confirming the number transfer is complete to avoid any service interruption. Mint Mobile works with unlocked GSM phones, including most iPhones and Android devices. Check the Mint Mobile website for a list of compatible devices and 5G support. The initial cost is just the SIM kit and your first month's plan. There are no early termination fees. Consider the Flex feature to add data on demand.